Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I have a pre-loved handbag unboxing to share with you. This is a little early birthday present to myself. My birthday is at the end of June, and this is an item I'd been looking for a while. As you can see here from this return slip, that it is from Anne's Fabulous Finds, which is an online consignment store. This is my first time purchasing a bag from them, so yeah, so I'll definitely let you know about my experience. The listing said that it was in new condition, so I'm really hoping that's true. This is a true unboxing. I have not looked at it. I've just kind of opened the cardboard box. I took the shipping label off because it had my personal information, obviously, and then I opened the cardboard box, and there was a nice little thank you card, which again had personal information on it, so I didn't want to show that. But yeah, this is the return slip. They, I believe, do accept returns. So this is how it was packaged. There's some tissue. There's some air paper here. And as you can see, it's a Louis Vuitton item. Okay, so let me just get rid of the cardboard box here. So it's in plastic, which is good, and it did say it came with the original dust bag. Okay, I'm excited to see this in person finally. All right, so there's the dust bag to reveal. Let's see. Ooh, the color's so pretty. So here is my new Louis Vuitton Empreinte Twice in Rose Ballerine. All right, let's take a look. Oh, the embossing on this is so deep. It's so pretty. And I can smell from here that it smells new. Okay, so it comes with this little tag that I'm assuming if you cut that off, then you can't return it. Let's take a look inside. So the reason I wanted to get this particular bag in this color, a couple of reasons. Oh, it comes with, I didn't even realize it came with the tags. Let me show you this first before I explain why. So it comes with the little Empreinte booklet, and it's the older style because this is a discontinued style. It's no longer made. So that was back when it was called the twin set. Empreinte Rose Ballerine, that's the code, and then just the textile tag. So yeah, they originally called this style the twin set, and then there was a copyright issue, so they changed the name to the twice. And I have this bag in, I'll just show you, in black leather, black Empreinte leather. And I have had this since I bought it in, it was either the end of 2016 or early 2017, and I really like it. I actually brought this to Disney World when we went right before the quarantine started. We had gone to Disney World, and it was such a great travel bag. And I really wanted a pink bag back in my collection, so I thought this would be perfect because I know I love the style, and yeah, and having it in pink I thought would be great. I used to have a Pochette Matisse in the pink Empreinte, and I ended up selling it. I just think that I prefer this size in the pink color. It's a softer pink than is what is showing up with the lighting right now. It's looking a little different on camera, but I'm sure you're all familiar with the Rose Ballerine color. So I'm just gonna take a look here because I want to make sure that it actually is in new condition. So there's the date code. Oh no, that's just the made in USA tag. The date code is on this side. Okay, so there's the date code. I'm just gonna take a look here. So it was made in the 20th week of 2015, it looks like. So it's a little older than my black one, which was made at the end of 2016, I believe. It definitely feels like it hasn't been used. Like my black one I've used a lot, so it's definitely softened up. This one definitely feels like it hasn't been used because it's still in its sort of original like flat form, I guess you could say. So this style has the magnetic pocket in the middle of the two sections, and then it's got on the front the flap. I love the microfiber lining on this. I think it's such a nice touch. That's another reason I sold my Empreinte Pochette Métis. I did not like that striped fabric lining. I really wished it was the microfiber lining. And yeah, it definitely appears to be new. I mean, even the hardware, there's like no scratches on the hardware. On the button there, there's no scratches. The corners look perfect. And the embossing is so nice and deep. It's actually deeper than it is on my black one, I think. It's so pretty. Oh, I'm so happy. Okay, so yeah, I'm really happy to have, it actually is a very similar color to my shirt. I'm really happy to have a pink bag back in my collection and to have found this. This was hard to find, and I found one, actually somebody had told me about one on eBay, and it was from a Japanese seller, but it was more than I wanted to spend, so I made an offer for about the same amount that I paid for this one, and it was declined. So I'm glad it was, because it wasn't in brand new condition. And then I found this one for that price in brand new condition. So yeah, so I'm really happy to have found this. This is a really great style if you want just a grab and go everyday carefree bag. I mean, obviously the black one is a little more carefree than this, but Empreinte leather is so durable. I love it's like a grained calfskin with the LVs embossed, and it's just such a great everyday leather. And this style, I don't know why they discontinued it, but it's just such a great everyday bag. It holds just enough, and it's crossbody. It's an adjustable strap, very comfortable to use, not too big and bulky. It sits flat against your body. Yeah, anyway, if anyone is interested in a review on my Louis Vuitton Twice bags, I'd be happy to do it. I don't think I've ever done one just because it's an older style. But if anyone's interested in it, I'd be happy to do one. So let me know in the comment section below. Yeah, that's it for this video. I'm definitely happy with my purchase for Man's Fabulous Finds, and I'm going to be cutting this tag off right after I've just looked this over one more time off of camera. So yeah, if you like this type of video, please consider subscribing and also following me on Instagram if you haven't already. It's my handle there is FashionJunkie33. Thanks so much for watching, and have a great day.